Okay, so if you guys want to see how I got these juicy, if you guys would like to see how I got these juicy twists, please stay tuned and continue watching this video. Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay. So I'm going to show you some of the products I'll be using for my wash day routine. So yeah. So, oh wow. I opened it and like this movie came out, but this is the oh, okay, this is a bad idea. Hold on. It's like leaking out. This is the bamboo charcoal pre-shampoo scalp scrub. So I'm gonna use this first, like as a pre-wash exfoliator for my scalp, because my scalp is like dirty. It's very dirty. So then I'm gonna go in with the shampoo, the bamboo charcoal deep cleanser shampoo, and wash my hair. And then I'm gonna use my favorite conditioner, which is the OGX coconut milk conditioner. Yeah. And then I'm gonna probably go in with this leave-in from Shea Moisture. It's their silicone free miracle styler leave-in treatment. And yeah, so I left my spray bottle at school, so I'm just gonna use this as my spray bottle. Yeah, it's a Palmer's bottle. Had a little bit of Palmer's left in it, and I added water to it to dilute it. So yeah, we're just gonna get started. My hair is a mess. Okay, it's really dry. It needs some help, so we're gonna help it. So yeah, oh, and I'm gonna also go in with this leave-in conditioner from Dr. Moko's. Yeah, just to get started. I'm gonna go in sections. Yeah, I think from here on I'm just gonna do a voiceover. Yeah, because I'm about to watch the Nutcracker. Alright. And we're back. Alright. So when I was in the shower with my hair, I washed it with my shampoo, and then I worked out in there. I love it, suds up so good. Like, it was really sudsy. I feel like when my shampoo suds up and like it gets really like, you know, sudsy, and I feel like my hair is actually getting a good wash. I don't know. I mean, not saying that when it doesn't suds up that much, it can still give you good wash, but I just feel like I'm really like, it's like really washing my hair, you know? So yeah, and then I followed by, oh, and I really liked how this made my scalp feel. It had like peppermint or whatever in it. I don't know, tea tree oil. It has tea tree oil in it. And it just like made my scalp feel so much pepperminty. I mean, at one point in the shower when I was rinsing it out, the aroma was strong, but I like mint, so I was okay with it, or whatever is in here. Yeah, I like this. I feel like I would get another one. I would get another one of these, definitely. It made my scalp feel really nice. Like, my hair literally felt so clean. Especially with the shampoo too. It really deep cleansed. Like, the name is what it did to my hair. Like, oh, my hair is clean. Like, it looks moist. It's nice and clean. It's fresh. And then I followed it with my conditioner that I usually use. I put some in, detangled it, rinsed it out, then I added a little bit for when I'm about to style my hair. And so now I'm about to style my hair, and I don't know if any of that made sense. Hope it made sense. Okay, so yeah, so we're about to get started. Alright, so let me hurry up. I don't have a time. So I'm just gonna do the rest. Hold on. So I'm about to just do the rest of my hair, then I'll come back when it's finished. Okay, okay. I'm just gonna do the rest of the same to the rest of my hair. Alright guys. Hey guys, so this is the end of the video. Yeah, so this is the finished look. Thank you guys for staying through till the end. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be recording a twist out video of how these bad boys look when they're out. I'm probably gonna leave this in for a couple days or so. I might change my mind and pull them out tomorrow, but we'll see. I really like having my hair twist because I don't really have to deal with it as much. I just have a twist and then I go about my day, and then when I'm going out or when I feel ready to take it out, I can take it out, or I can style these. So if you guys want to see like me, like any styling videos for like twist hairstyles or you know anything like that, just leave it down in the comments below and I'll try my best to do that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more content coming your way. The out. I'm so dead.